Coastal resilience is integral and key for our well-being, and that's something that the San Diego Foundation is always looking for, building equitable, resilient communities. San Diego Foundation launched the Binational Resilience Initiative because we understand that creating resiliency in our communities is very much linked to supporting the resiliency of our ecosystem. So we understand that we are all connected, and the Cali Baja region is only one region.
A more resilient coastline would shine light onto the realities that many San Diegans ignore or have never been educated in. Realities like our county-wide pollution problem, habitat loss, or struggle to combat climate change. A resilient coastline would shine light to the way that we live here in San Diego and how it's not in relation with the balance of our marine ecosystem, how, if anything, it's disrupting it. There is a bridge between two different communities. One community is able to swim and enjoy the water, while the other is blockaded by sewage, naval infrastructure, and is closed off to the coast. Both of these communities share the same water. The neighborhood that I'm fighting for want to be in direct action with how its coastline is being used.
Oceanside has not always been this bustling visitor location where everyone thinks it's so beautiful and wants to come here. This is brand new to Oceanside. This is within the last decade that we've seen this kind of boom here, which I connect a lot of that to the health of our coastlines.
When we're talking about what kind of habitats do we need along the coast that protect our communities, we're also talking about places that could and should be really valuable for a lot of endangered species and a lot of common species that are all dealing with climate change and pollution and water quality issues, just like all of the humans are as well. Places where we can hang out because it's so hot in the county, where the places where we know that water will be filtered as it goes from our stormwater system into the places where we want to swim. Those are all critical for humans as we get going in the next couple of decades, but also will be really, really beautiful, wild, and necessary places for all of the other species that use those spots. A lot of those values that we need from them dovetail and overlap really, really well with all of the other species that we want and that we benefit from when we're out looking at wild places like this.